Well, welcome to my channel, guys. This is Gautam Kumar. Today I am share some job update with you. Before that, please subscribe my channel, share this video with your friend who needs job update, and please like this video. And if you need to join a job update, please join my Telegram group. And this is my Telegram group link. And this link I will paste in a description box. Please join it. Let's I have share with you job update with you. First job from medical healthcare data analyst. This is for Pune, Maharashtra location, and salary is 1.5 L per year, and this is full-time job opportunity, and shift is flexible shift, and benefit is this all. And the next job is our research analyst and this is for remote, and the shift is Monday to Friday, normal shift, and this is also a full-time opportunity, and 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 the start date is 2023 CET 5 hour and all. And our next job is e-commerce data analyst. This is also Bangalore location, Karnataka, and and this is our job detail, and you have see here job description and all, and and location is Bangalore, Karnataka. You have remember it. Next job is our analyst consultant. The location is Jaipur, Rajasthan location, and salary up to 7 lakh per year, 7.2 lakh per year, and this is also full-time opportunity, and day shift, and benefit and funds also he will provide. And our uh, next job is business analyst. For a business analyst, this is also for Jaipur location, and the salary is 9K to 38K per month, and this is full-time opportunity for a fresher. Okay. Total work experience 1 year preferable means if you have 0 year of experience, you have also apply on it, and qualification must need a bachelor, and this is your responsibility and all, and this is your salary I am already said it. And schedule is day shift, flexible shift, and morning shift, all okay. And how and our next job is opening for senior market research analyst. This is for Pune, Maharashtra, and as well as remote location, and the salary is 7L to 10L per year. L means lakh per annum per year, and this is full time opportunity, and schedule is flexible day shift, and this is your job description, you can see here, and this is your challenge and all, and this is your benefit benefit and all. Our next job is data analyst for Tamil Nadu location, and salary is 10K to 25K per month, and this is a full-time opportunity. And how to apply this job, you have simply click apply now, and you have fill all the details. And our next job is master data analyst senior associate. This is also for Bangalore location, and job type is full time, uh, and this is your shift, Monday to Friday, uh, 5 day working hour, and totally work year experience he need 3 year. Okay, but salary is not mentioned, but I think he pay more salary. This is one more data analyst job for Pune, and Pune Maharashtra location. This is a temporary job, and the shift is US shift means night shift, and this is your job description, this is your job description and this is your responsibility. And how to apply the job, you have simply click apply now and you have fill all the details. Our next job is email marketing analyst. This is for Mumbai, Maharashtra and well as a remote location. Okay, and the salary is 15K per month and opportunity is full time, regular and remote, and shift is day shift. And this is all about your responsibility. And this is need a qualification and a skill need email marketing and web analytic testing and all you have read here. And this is full time opportunity and salary is 15K per month. Thanks for watching this video guys. Thank you everyone.